Samsung launches SmartThings Home Insight to manage home's energy. Samsung launched its SmartThings at its annual conference, the Samsung Developer Conference 2024. It's claimed that this event is incomplete without a new feature for SmartThings, and that's precisely what Samsung provided at SDC 2024 in San Jose, California on Thursday. Home Insight is said to be a significant upgrade for SmartThings that would help users to manage a much more efficient smart home. So what is SmartThings? Now, SmartThings is a software platform that lets you simply handle different smart home devices and appliances from one single app. The platform already pulls in data from these devices, and after the company has updated, it's become much enhanced at helping you use your data to advance the energy efficiency of your home. Home Insight is set to analyze usage patterns, user data, device history, and stats from linked devices in the home in real time to give personalized recommendations to optimize the home. This may add reminders to switch off idle devices at the office or power off the lights during the daytime. You can easily do all of these things with the help of Home Insight widget, which is also offered on the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, letting users have this device function as a home dashboard. To further enhance efficiency, Samsung also revealed a partnership between SmartThings and Kohler, with the new edition helping users monitor and reduce their water usage through smart shower heads and faucets. In addition to this new partnership, Samsung has highlighted a new collaboration for a wider variety of SmartThings compatible home devices.